My name is Moriba Jah. I am a celestial steward, an astrodynamicist, and a Nat Geo explorer. So space environmentalism is really focused on the fact that even though outer space is infinite, where we put satellites is in a very limited area and it's becoming more and more congested. And so space environmentalism is about looking at that environment much like we look at land, air, and ocean and space, and trying to protect that for the sake of sustainability of human endeavors. It's my job to try to understand how objects move in space, and I'm very much focused on Earth orbit as an environment that's in need of protection from pollution because we have thousands and thousands and thousands of pieces of trash orbiting the Earth. The first grant that I got was for a project called Glint Evader. What is that all about? Well, it turns out that human-made objects, when they're orbiting the Earth, they tend to reflect sunlight in the direction of people on the ground. It's how we can see satellites with our naked eye. But it turns out that because we have so many of these objects, it's starting to interfere with astronomy, and astronomers are trying to find ways of trying to predict how many of these objects will be reflecting sunlight towards their telescopes. So Glint Evader, which is now publicly available through Wayfinder, an app with privateer space, Glint Evader lets anybody, including yourself, go to the website, put your location, and it will show you at a specific time how many of these satellites are currently overhead and how much light they're reflecting in your direction. My call to action from people is, what does it mean to you to see yourself as a steward? Our existence has an impact on the planet. Stewardship is just trying to find ways to attune and do the best that you can to be a caretaker and a custodian of the planet.